Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to take a look at division, some aspect of division, how you can divide numbers. The first list is to look at the aspect of grouping objects, is what I mean. There, for instance, if we have an object and another object grouped together, another set of objects grouped together, another set of objects grouped together. So in here, we could see that for each group consists of 2 objects each and grouped in 3 sets, that is in 3 places. So from here, we say our total number of objects, which is 6 from the diagram here, considering the grouping, which will be divided by each numbers used in each set, that is 2, 2, which will be equals to the total group altogether, and which are 1, 2, 3. So our answer will therefore be 3 in this case. Take a look at another example. For instance, we have another group of objects which are grouped in another sets of objects also grouped together, a set of objects also grouped together. So from here, in each set we have 3 each of a set of objects, and if we look at the total object altogether, we find that they are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 in total. Then we express this as 9 divided by each number of objects in each group, which is what? 3 in each group, which will give us this total set of groupings, which are also 1, 2, and then 3. Our answer is 3 in this case. So, which means if we divide 3 by 3, it's going to give us 3. So this is one aspect of division, which is referred to as grouping. Let's take a look at another aspect. This aspect is what we call distributive property. Distributive property of division over addition method. So let's take a look at an instance of having 24 to be divided by 4. Then using the distributive property, 24 divided by 4. So in here, we can expand 24 as 20 plus 4 added with 10. That is divided by 4. Then we close the bracket of the expansion. From here, we can expand further as 2, 20 in the distributive manner, divided by the 4. We close the brackets again with addition sign, open another bracket. We have 4 divided by 4. So this gives us what? 20 divided by 4 in this case will give us 5 with a plus sign, and also from this bracket 4 divided by 4, which also gives us 1. So the total answer that gives us 6. Okay, let's consider another example. So with this, using the same pattern, we have 16 divided by 2. This gives us expanding 16 as 10 divided 10 plus 6 into brackets divided by 2. So using the distributive method as earlier used, we also have 10 divided by 2 into brackets plus 6 divided by 2 also into another bracket. Then we have our answer to be 10, that is 2 in 10 will give us how many places? Which is 5 plus 2 divided 2 in 6 times, we get 2 in 6 gives us 3. And if we add this together, we have 8. So this is a distributive property of division over addition method.